So this is what I have to do. Take pictures. And I love the birdies in the fountain. He didn't like it. Opie didn't like it when it was in the foraging tray. He really liked it in the mat. And that rosebud is going somewhere. What are you going to do with it? It's official that he likes rose petals and rose flowers. A little conflict on the traffic. What are you going to do with it? Where are you going to put it? Oh, I can't get it. Where'd you go? I knew you were going in the back. Are you hiding? That's a big one you can throw out, Opie. Yeah. Oh, you're going to come face to face. He's not very verbal in disagreements, but Bobo is. Beep, 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 beep. What is he going to do about it? What are you going to do about that? He's going to wait for the opportune moment. He does that. And then he'll jump in. And learn that from being with Phoenix. Yeah. Now he's going to try to negotiate. You funny boy. Oh, I think he knows I have my camera. Opie's a juvenile. He takes over. He's a year younger. He just doesn't know what to do. Hello. He knows I got a camera. Yep. He knows. Ah.